Today, I'm going to share a simple tip that will help to bring your stories to life. We're going to explore the importance of adding detail to your descriptions. This will paint a picture for your readers so that they not only enjoy reading your story, but feel like they are actually in it, experiencing what your characters experience. And how do we achieve this? By giving them the 2-for-1 deal. Let's get started. Let me read a paragraph I recently wrote. Nestled in the forest was a log cabin. All afternoon, Sophia sat on the porch, painting the breathtaking view of the mountains. At night, as wolves howled in the distance, she sat beside the fireplace and read her book. At first glance, it's pretty good. I've used varied sentence beginnings. I've used some rich vocabulary. I've included sensory details. But something's missing. I've mentioned details, but I haven't truly described them. It's like I've presented a quick sketch for my readers and have left them to fill in the details with their imagination. This is a common mistake many young writers make. In their rush to tell the story, they go from beginning to end without really describing the journey. Readers know what happened, but they can't fully immerse themselves and experience the story. Let's try again. This time, we'll use the 2-for-1 deal. 2-for-1 deal? Yes. Pick out the most important things to describe, and instead of writing just one sentence about them, write two. Let's take another look at that paragraph. For me, the log cabin, the mountains, and the fireplace are the important elements in this scene. I'm going to add an extra sentence about each of them. This added detail will help bring the setting to life. Nestled in the forest was a log cabin. Its logs were weathered and moss-covered after enduring decades of snow and rain. All afternoon, Sophia sat on the porch, painting the breathtaking view of the mountains. The majestic peak loomed above the forest, and at its summit, jagged rocks poked through a blanket of snow. At night, as wolves howled in the distance, she sat beside the fireplace and read her book. The flames danced and crackled as they burnt through the pine logs, casting a flickering dance of shadows across the room. That's much better. By adding an extra sentence about the log cabin, the mountains, and the fireplace, I've managed to paint a richer picture in my reader's imagination. I brought the scene to life, and they feel more like they're there, experiencing it with Sophia. Give your paragraphs the 2-for-1 treatment. Identify the key elements, and make sure you add an extra sentence about them. Thanks for joining me. Until next time, happy writing!